Nothing could make us fall apart. I'm ready to answer for what I've done wrong in my life. It's nothing, I promise. It's not enough to make you.
Good morning. Today a little bit of a life update. So I have 4 days left of work and then I'm officially unemployed / self-employed because it's the same thing, right?
Sorry.
No, but seriously, I have 4 days of full-time work left and then I'm straight into the freelance thing. My primary focus after going freelance is going to be working on photography. I know earlier on the blog I said I wanted to work on a documentary film about the music industry, but I've realized that that's not really going to be possible in the time that we have left between now and when we go to America. So I'm going to have to park that one till we get back from America, which I'm not sure when that's going to be. But yeah, it's not that I don't want to do it, I really do want to do it, but I've realized you can do anything, but you can't do everything. So I'm going to be focusing on the photography, and yeah, I'm heading up to Pretoria, as you know, to spend some time with some photographers as well as do some work there and visit family. So I'm really hoping that that leads to some good things. And then on the music side of things, still recording here and there, but I'm also going to be working on audio post-production. I've got a short film that I'm doing the sound for, and then in future a feature film, both of them an indie filmmaker from Cape Town. Looking forward to that, and I hope that leads to something else in the future as well. Yeah, all our stuff is going into storage at the end of the month. We're going to be moving out of our apartment, so we're going to be living out of suitcases for 5 to 6 months. Should be fun. Different adventure.
Yeah. It'll be good though, because we have too much stuff, so we need to learn how to live on less stuff.
I'm only human after all. We're only human after all. At the end of the day.
Too hot, huh?
The light is changing. It's pedestrian lucky. Alright, update the vlog. It's my vlog update voice.
Is it?
And see, Joe's laptop died again today, which sucks.
Yeah.
Because we have a lot of travel plans coming up and it's pretty difficult to take an iMac with you. She has a lot of video editing to do, just like me. So, we're gonna have to share my computer for the time being. I'm gonna take a look at it next week.
Yeah, it showed a prohibition sign and everything. And did I know what that was? No. I googled what to do when your Mac shows you a no entry sign. And eventually found the article that said it was called a prohibition sign.
Did it say what to do when that happened?
Yeah, started up in recovery mode, except for then that didn't go too well. That was step 1. But it didn't wanna.
Yeah.
Looks like it's the end of the world out there. So we've abandoned this going home thing right now because the traffic is mental. And look at that. We're not even 50 meters from work. So we're going to go in the other direction and see if we can find some coffee and then go home later.
But you can never walk alone on your way to being free. We're only human after all. Nothing could make us fall apart. I'm ready to answer for what I've done wrong in my life.
We are now at plant, giving it a round 2 because the first time was not so good, but Joe swears it's better, so we'll see.
I'm only human.